To everyone asking us to make a strap for the Jackson, we already have it. It's here in store, and we're gonna show you how to put it on and how it looks. Before we move forward, I wanna let you know that you guys already know that we have the fiber metal one, which is the Sugar Scoop, the original pipeliner hood. We have the strap for those. We have the strap for the Aula leather hoods, the Pro liners. We have the straps for the Pipeliners Cloud hood as well, the Sugar Scoop. And we have the straps for the Techni Weld hood as well. Now, this is the last one that we have made, which is the Jackson, and we have every single one in stock at the store. The Jackson hood has a headgear like this one, so you guys already know what to do, which is cut it, and it's gonna look like this. Now we're gonna put this on, that way you can see how it fits. As you can see right there, it has a little bit on the inside. You can use it on each single one adjustment that it has, this one, or you can use it on this one as well. All right, you already guys know that you have to put this one on the inside through here, and then put this one already here. The inside, you gotta put this one on here. Now check this out. This is the locking mechanism, look. And you can lock it. And after that, you're gonna have to put this one in here, but obviously this one on the outside of the hood. Once you have it on there, just put this one right here, like that, and then just put this one, and then you should be good to go. Now let's go to the other side. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put this one, we're gonna put this one through the middle, and then we're gonna put the other one right here. And then we're gonna do the same. Once you have it ready, like the other side, put it on here. Make sure this one matches the same on the other side. Once you put it on, you got the strap, and we added like a degree to the bottom. That way the headgear will be on the bottom and not on top. And this is the way it's gonna look. As you can see, you see how it's on the bottom? You can lift it, you put it down. So if you have a hood like this one, which is the most popular one that we sell with the fish leather. This is Cayman, copper Cayman. So if you have something like this, like a Jackson hood, you can get the straps here at Snake Belly. Come check us out, 2502 Center Street on Deer Park, Texas, only at the Snake Belly. Remember, we got the straps for the Pipeliners Cloud hoods, for the Aula leather hoods, for the Techni Weld hoods, for the Jackson hoods. And remember, we got the pipeliner from Fiber Metal, which is the original Sugar Scoop pipeliner welded hood on the market. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Remember, 2502 Center Street in Deer Park, Texas. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.